Hey fam, it is Jackie here and you are definitely on the right channel. Today, you can see what I'm doing, right? Yummy, yummy pizza. We all love it. So let's just get right into it. I did a previous video on how I made this dough. So just check it out. I'll link it up here somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to be using chicken breast for my toppings. You can go ahead and use anything, but I'm doing this in 2 different flavors. So right after cutting my chicken breast into pieces, I'm gonna season it. I'm using vegetable seasoning, white pepper, paprika, and some salt. You can also add any other seasoning of your choice. I'm then going to top up with soy sauce and just mix it all together. So normally I just leave this to marinate for about 15 minutes. Yeah, let it sit and relax and absorb all this sweetness, all the flavors. So once that is done, I'm just gonna like pan fry this. Just a little bit of oil because we are not really doing deep frying, just something light. So I'm going to pan fry this, make sure it's all cooked through without any moisture or redness. Now introducing the rest of our ingredients. I've got pepperoni, bell peppers, and some onions, as well as the star of the show, mozzarella cheese. And then I've also got some tomato sauce. With the tomato sauce, you can use any of your choice. I sometimes use my leftover stew, or I buy some pizza sauce, or I make some pizza sauce. You can actually use any base that you want. You can use barbecue sauce, you can use mayo, anything that you're comfortable with. So I'm just spreading about 3 tablespoons. Just make sure it covers the dough. And yeah, the next toppings that will go on is the mozzarella cheese. Right after that goes on, spread it generously across because that's gonna give you that I cannot explain it. So after that, top up with your protein and then top up with your vegetables. You can just sprinkle them across. You can also arrange them if you're like particular like me. And here Bay is helping out. Ooh, thanks Bay, shout out to you. You've always been an amazing support. So he's helping me do this and he's the one decorating the pepperoni pizza. So there you have it. It's looking amazing. It's now going to go into the oven and then we are heating it at 350 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes or till like the edges look golden brown, and then you bring it out. And just like that, Keke Agbena. Isn't this so yummy-licious? It was so good. I hope you try this and you will love it. Try your own homemade pizza and let me know how it went, okay? Comment down below. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up because why not? Subscribe because why not? And let me bring you more videos, amazing ones of course. Catch you in my next video. See ya. Ciao.